Organizations really need to consider Active Directory in their DR plan simply because restoring a domain controller does not give you the functionality of everything working again. There are specifics that have to happen in a very particular order, and connections need to be put back in. And worst case is if you just simply put a domain controller back into production without looking at how an attacker may have modified things, you're just leaving things wide open for them to come back in and do things over again. So it's really important to consider Active Directory specifics in your DR plan because Active Directory is the foundation of your organization, your identity store. Without that, nothing works. You lose all your permissions on files and folders. You lose all your users. You lose everything, service accounts. Without Active Directory, when the environment is down, it is either a burn it and rebuild, which can take, for an organization, can take 6 months, or you can do it correctly, recover Active Directory if you have the specific steps in mind and documented, and recover to a sooner time frame, typically anywhere from a weekend to a week, depending on the size of the organization.